Okay, I'm going to talk about lineup. It's one of my favorite, very simple ESL activities that's ideal for kind of a time filler or just like a party day or as an icebreaker as well. So the way it works is that students have to line up in order in a line according to a certain criteria. So it could be their age, their birthday date in the year, like May 15th or June 20th, whatever. It could be their height, it could be their number of people that live in their house together. The key is you can do it two different ways. So the first way is that students have to do it without talking. So they just have to use their hands or body language. And the second way is that I require my students do it, but they only can speak English. So it really is up to you what you want to do. But then at the end, you can check the answers. So especially if they've done it silently, you could say, when's your birthday? Oh, January 3rd, February 2nd, March 4th, and just make sure students are in the correct order. Okay, so that is a very simple ESL activity you could do. If you like this activity, please be sure to check out my book, 101 ESL Activities for Kids. We'll put the link right up there, and please hit like and subscribe, and catch you next time. Bye, everybody.